welcome back. Today we're going to be making some peach scones. So come with me. So we have 2 cups of flour in here, which we're going to sift with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then we have a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over here that I already, now usually you cut the butter, but I grated it because then it blends in much faster. So this is my 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, which works great. Okay, so you mix this up. See? Just like so. And give it a little stir. Then you add, I have a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. Now you could use white sugar if you'd like, but I like the light brown. These only takes a few minutes to make, but they're so delicious. Especially with afternoon tea. Okay, so I have 1 large peach that I diced in small pieces. I'm gonna add those now. And I decided to add 1/4 cup of raisins, because usually these are made with currants. So instead of I don't know where to find currants, so we're using 1/4 cup of raisins. And here we go. That's all set. So now we're going to work on the wet ingredients. We have 1/2 cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of milk and 1 egg. So we're going to add these together. Egg in. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, this vanilla is very good vanilla. The name of it I will show you in 1 second. It's, let's see if we can say this. The Madagascar. Okay, so we got it right that time. Madagascar. And you just give this a quick stir right like that. There we go. And we're gonna pour that in here. Now I have a little bit of extra flour over here just in case if I need it, but basically you just pour this in here and stir it up. Now I'm going to save a little just in case if I have enough, so because I don't want it to get too mushy. We don't want mushy. We want nice and firm. So here we go. Yeah, this is looking like scones, baby. So, as the story goes, Anna, who was she was the Duchess of Bedford, invited Queen Victoria for tea one afternoon and requested to have a light snack. And so she was served scones. And she had her scones with jam and clotted cream. And so ever since then, it's been a thing in England that people wanted to have scones with their afternoon tea. So here we are. Okay, now we have to put this on the flour board here. It's looking good. And we're just gonna roll this out. There you have it, folks. Okay. So I got my extra flour here. And we're just gonna go. Usually I make these round, but today I'm gonna make them in a triangle shape. So, and in case if I forgot to mention it, we have the oven heating up at 375, and we're going to be cooking these for about 25 minutes. 20 to 25, because I like mine nice and golden brown. And this is going to be delicious. Yeah, baby. See that? Then we're going to take, I'm going to rinse this knife under hot water so when I cut it, it'll be a clean cut. And we have our tray over here. There we go. And that's lined with parchment paper. Okay. So you have to clean your knife every time, because if you don't, it gets all not so nice. We're doing good. There you go. The oven is ready, and our scones are almost ready. We're good to go. One, two, have it, folks. So the oven is ready. The only thing we have to do now is I have a little tiny bit of reserve milk, and I'm gonna put it like that. Top. This keeps them from getting all soggy or something like that. Okay, we are good to go. The oven is ready, and in goes the scones, and they have to cook for 20 to 25 minutes at 375. Here you go, folks. We'll be back when they're done. Everyone, my scones are ready, so we're gonna take them out. Now it's gonna be hot. Look at that. That is going to be scrumptious, but we have to wait until they're cool before we can frost them. So we will be back as soon as they cool off and we'll frost them. Thank you. Hello everyone, we're back. Our scones are nice and cool now. So we're going to frost them. I made some frosting here, a little bit of frosting with 1 cup of confectionery sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm just gonna pour it in here and hope not to make a mess, which is going pretty good. Okay, we did it, we didn't make a mess. And we have our little bottle here. Here we go. These are going to be so good, even though we don't have any clotted cream or jam, but they are going to be delicious. So I'm going to try one because I can't wait. Here we go. Okay. These are absolutely delicious. Please try this recipe. And I don't want to talk with food in my mouth, but they are absolutely delicious. Thank you all. Try it.